This is the real Avid pistol tool, the first multi-tool designed to work on all striker fires, 1911s, and revolvers. This compact profile houses 19 precision tools, non-marring bushing wrenches for both 1911 government and officer models. 4 onboard Bondus Protanium hex keys for adjusting all laser sighting systems. Stored in the handle are flat, Phillips, hex, and Torx bits with ball detents that lock into a 2.5-inch long bit driver. A detachable pin punch makes takedown easy. Paired with a tap hammer for stubborn pins. An 832 threaded receiver pivots from the handle and accepts standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes. A non-hardened stainless steel picked scraper combination cleans crud from slide rails and other hard-to-reach places. There's a rugged 3-inch titanium-coated Tonto-style knife. And a fine-tooth metal file. An incredible number of tools compact enough to fit in your mag pouch. The real Avid pistol tool. It keeps your trigger finger happy.
For those who respond when a life is on the line, Leatherman is proud to introduce the revolutionary Raptor medical shears for military and civilian emergency medical responders. The Raptor medical shears is a high-quality, state-of-the-art replacement for traditional disposable shears. And in true Leatherman fashion, it incorporates a number of other tools specifically for first responders.
It comes with a strap cutter. It also has a slot for opening the O2 tanks, and it has an innovative, easy-to-use ring cutter. It doesn't have the twisting. All you got to do is clip it and it cuts right through rings. And it also has a glass breaker on the handle.
The team at Leatherman worked closely with special operations medics, firefighters, and EMT personnel to find out what these professionals wanted in Leatherman-designed shears. With that feedback, the engineers designed a high-performance tool built to withstand the rigors of daily use.
When a medic is on site, the situation is already bad, so you don't want to make it worse by having a cheap shear that's going to fail and break when you use it. That's why Leatherman decided to make the Raptor, to give the quality of a product that's going to work every time for a lifetime of use.
It's got a lot of meat to it. It feels durable. I don't have any worries about it breaking or becoming dull. It worked through a lot of that. We put it through the testing out here.
The SWAT guys absolutely love this tool. It does the function of about 5 tools in one, and it does each one of those jobs so well. It's truly an amazing tool.
A lot of my guys at the fire station were impressed with this tool's size. Instead of carrying many tools, we just have to carry this one tool.
Built with the superior 420HC stainless steel, the serrated Raptor shears will make quick work of various materials and medical supplies. And they can be taken apart easily for thorough cleaning. A lanyard attachment gives you a third carry option. And the Zytel handles not only provide extra grip when wet, but allow for comfortable use in hot or cold environments.
Another advantage to the Leatherman Raptor is you can make it compact. By simply pushing the 2 buttons, rotating the handles down, you can make it half the size. Even with the Raptor closed, we still have access to the strap cutter, the oxygen wrench, the carbide glass break, and the lanyard attachment.
For more than 25 years, Leatherman tools have been helping everyday people deal with expected and unexpected jobs and situations. But now, there's a tool for the men and women who face the unexpected every day. here, the Leatherman Mutt, created for those who deal with the unexpected on a very regular basis.
CRKT. The CRKT tool is a useful instrument with versatile features designed to take on any job with confidence. A flathead and Phillips screwdriver easily engage at the touch of a button. Screwdriver bits and a magnetic holder fit onto the driver head. The T-handle configuration adds superior torquing power. A convenient blade opens and closes easily with one hand. The saw blade opens with a thumb stud and adds additional utility. Holes on the side work together with the utility blade to strip different gauges of wire. Box wrench sizes are inlaid into the sides of the tool. They also function as a bottle opener at the end of a hard day. A deep carry pocket clip keeps the tool secure in a work belt or jeans. The tool also includes a nylon belt sheath with a storage area for screwdriver bits. Each folding implement on the tool includes a steel locking liner for your safety. CRKT knobs and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The CRKT tool. Take confidence with you.
Time for a reality check. What's the worst that could happen? If this is your answer, then this is your multi-tool. But if you do real work, you probably want a multi-tool built for real challenges. Gerber Center Drive is the first multi-tool with a full-size standard bit driver on the center axis. That means it drives screws just like the real thing. And you can interchange your center drive bits with all the bits you already own. Try finding another multi-tool that can do that. Nope. Keep looking. But this is no one-trick pony. Gerber Center Drive delivers a full-size outboard knife with reverse thumb support. And the blade is 30% longer than the competition. It's okay, little buddy. A lot of guys have that problem. Since real life doesn't wait, the Center Drive driver, knife, and pliers are all instantly accessible with one hand. The same can't be said for this one. You also get all the other tools you need, and none you don't. So you'll have everything to fix just about anything. The multi-tool just got a reality check.
At Power Practical, we love high voltage, shooting sparks, and lighting up the party. After bringing this test of oil to life, we knew it was time to put one in everyone's pockets. Introducing the Sparker, a plasma lighter and flashlight in one. The flashlight is a 1 watt dimmable LED that can run for 4 hours on full bright. The removable lid doubles as a diffuser, transforming the light into a lantern. The plasma lighter uses electricity to create a windproof solution that requires no flame, butane, or fuel. The Sparker is great for any of your outdoor adventures. Lighting your barbecue, around your house, or simply being prepared.